Unraveling the mystery of dryer sheets. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind a common household item that's often a puzzle for many English learners: dryer sheets. Whether you're doing laundry for the first time or you've come across this term and wondered what it means, this video is for you. Dryer sheets are a staple in American laundry routines. They're thin squares of fabric softener material used in a clothes dryer to eliminate static cling, soften fabrics, and add a fresh fragrance to your laundry. Unlike liquid fabric softeners that are used during the washing cycle, dryer sheets are designed to be tossed into the dryer with wet clothes. When you put your clothes in the dryer, they tumble around and rub against each other. This creates static electricity. Dryer sheets are coated with chemicals that react to the heat of the dryer to neutralize static and help keep clothes soft. The heat helps spread the coating evenly over the clothes, making them feel softer and reducing static cling. Apart from making clothes soft and static-free, dryer sheets have several other benefits. They can reduce drying time by helping to create more space between the clothes as they tumble, allowing more air to circulate. Dryer sheets can also make ironing easier because they help prevent wrinkles. Many people use dryer sheets to freshen up not just clothes but also other areas of their homes, like drawers, gym bags, and even shoes. While dryer sheets are convenient, it's worth noting that the chemicals used can be irritating to sensitive skin. Some people prefer to use hypoallergenic or fragrance-free options. Additionally, they're not the most environmentally friendly choice as they're single-use and often not biodegradable. We hope this video has cleared up the air on dryer sheets and how they can be a useful, though not essential, part of your laundry routine. Whether you choose to use them is up to you, but now you'll understand what they are and what they do. Happy Laundry Day, and see you in the next video.